Good morning, students. Today I am here to help you out with a question of physics of IIT JEE Advanced. In this question, let me read out the question firstly. In this question, it is said a football of radius r is kept on a hole of radius r, small r, and small r is less than capital R, made on a plank kept horizontally. Fine. So, from first information, if you understand, this is my plank and suppose this is the hole. For this my radius is small r, and again one end of the plank is now lifted. Now we will have to lift this plank, and one more information is given, that capital R is the radius of a sphere. So I'm going as per the questions information given. Capital R, fine, lifted, and it gets tilted making an angle theta. Now this is the important part which we have to understand from the horizontal as shown in figure below. Technically I couldn't show you the picture, but right now I'm going to draw the picture for you so that you could understand what they are trying to say. So this is the picture what they have given. Fine. I will try to draw the picture like they have given. So this is the picture actually. Let it be theta. And again they have given this radius, you can say, or a diameter of this hole, which is 2r. Now capital R is for this. This is my capital R, and this is my plank as per the question. Fine. Now the maximum value of theta we have to find so that the football does not start rolling down. Now what we have to find? We have to find maximum value of theta, and the options given: sine theta equal to small r by capital R, then tan theta equal to small r by capital R, and then sine theta, third option, is small r by 2r, and last option is cos theta equals to small r by 2r, capital R. Fine. This is the question. Now I am going to explain you exactly what we will do. I told you all the information whatever we have. Now actual picture will go like this. Let me draw the actual picture, like how it will participate or how it will work out for us. Actual picture will go somewhat similar to it again, but here I could not like show you all stuff, so I will try to show you here only. So this is suppose my sphere. I made a big sphere so that you could understand about the concept of theta whatever we have. Now this is actually theta. Fine. And what I am trying to show you, so this is suppose the radius of this hole, which I will keep small r. Fine. And at the same time, if you see, center of a sphere will lie here, O. And again from the center of a sphere, what will happen? Technically weight will act in downward direction. Okay. And again I can join like this. If you see, now it is a right angle triangle. Okay. Now again what we have? We have this capital R, which is radius of a sphere. Now what I'm trying to say, we have to find a relation so that we could justify okay, what will be the maximum value of theta. So what we have to do, technically this is the plank in horizontal direction small r, and now it is kept at angle theta. Now we have to find this theta. So what I will do, I will show you exactly how we can find. Straight away I will apply the logic of math here inside the physics. Like if you see, this is my theta, obviously this will be my theta. Okay, this will be my theta by geometry, but let me show you how it is working before that, before my actual solution. So this is my theta. I can say this will be my 90 degree, and since this is 90 degrees, so this will be what? By angle sum property of the triangle, I can say this will be my 90 minus theta. And again, since this is my 90 minus theta, so I can say this will be vertically opposite angle. So again it is same. And again by angle sum property of the triangle, if I will apply in this smaller triangle, then again this will be theta. Fine. Now the question is same, like we have to find the maximum value of theta. So what I will do, I will simply find the maximum value of theta. Now if you see, right now we have two relations, okay, and now we'll see exactly what we can do. I'm giving you 2 minutes to think for the same, like what logic can be applied. So best way is to apply the relation of trigonometric ratio. Like I told you all the information we have. Fine. Now I am going to tell you what we can do best. So if you see, let me draw this triangle again so that you could relate what I am trying to say. Here is my theta. Fine. And obviously this is my, you can say, capital R. Okay. I made a, let me erase this off. Technically, here will be my capital R. Okay, because this is the radius of a sphere. Okay, and this is what I have made here. Now what I will do, I will try to find a relation between these two sides. That's it. And that will give me theta. Fine. So what I will do is, straight away, if you see, this is my, you can say, small r, and this is my capital R. And again we have the standard relation. What relation we have? We can find a relation. If you see, this is my perpendicular, this is my hypotenuse. So obviously best option we have is sine theta. Sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, so it will be small r by capital R. And again we can find our theta max, which is theta, we can say sine inverse is small r by capital R. So as per this calculation, straight away we can say our first option is right. Hope you got my point. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.